Good evening, ma'am. My name is Gabriel Siban from J2W. My passionate is being a seaman. I choose seaman because from a young age, the ocean has held a powerful allure for me. It's not just a vastness, the mystery, or the raw power of the waves. It's the sense of freedom, adventure, and constant challenge that the sea represents. This is not just a job, aspiration. It's a deep sea passion, a calling that resonates with my soul. The romance of sailing, the thrill of navigation by the stars, the camaraderie of the ship's crew. These are the elements that ignite my enthusiasm and drown the responsibility of maintaining a vessel, the precision required for navigation, and the problem-solving skill needed to overcome unexpected challenge at sea. The constant learning, the adaptation of our changing conditions, the opportunity to see the world from a unique perspective are all incredibly appealing. More than just adventure, however, is the sense of purpose. Being a seaman is about more than just transporting goods. It's about connecting continents, facilitating trade, and contributing to the global economy. It's about teamwork, resilience, and unwavering dedication to safety and efficiency. It's a professional that demands respect, and that's a respect I'm eager to earn. I understand the hardships, the long period away from home, the physical demands, and the potential risk. But these challenges only serve to strengthen my resolve. The rewards, both personal and professional, far outweigh the, the difficulties and, and the opportunities to grow, to learn, and to contribute significantly to the maritime world. Is a prospect that fills me with immense excitement. This is not just a career, it's a life journey, and I'm ready to embark on this with open arms and a heart full of passions. Thank you, ma'am.